Okay, this is a video working through number 11 from the 10.5 homework. In this problem are just asking us to find the value of x. So once we have it, we don't need to do anything more with it. And the formula that they're asking you to access is to take the exterior angle measure. So it's this one right here, x over 2, and it is a fraction, so we'll just leave it as x over 2. And we're going to set that equal to the big arc minus the small arc and divide that by 2. So big minus small divided by 2. That's the structure that we work through in lesson 10.5. So the outside angle is the big, which is x plus 70, minus the small, which is x plus 30, and then we're going to divide that by 2. And let's see, so distribute that negative through on top. So it would be minus x minus 30, and then we're over 2. And we'd have x over 2, and then we'd have x minus x. So on top, the x's go away. And we have 70 minus 30, which would be 40 over 2. A couple ways algebraically we can solve this, but I'm just going to do 40 divided by 2, and that's 20. And then I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to get x all by itself. And 20 times 2 is 40. And our x value then for this problem is 40, and there's nothing more we need to do with it.